as the first light washes over a smart mirror in a New York apartment, as it gleams on a wet room in a Mediterranean villa. As dawn breaks, the custom-crafted Queenswood Vanity greets the day as a new journey begins. And as a young family in a vibrant African community steps into Queenswood shower room, across the globe, a new generation is starting their day in spaces that reflect their refusal to compromise on design. Queenswood, founded in 2012 in Foshan, a heartland of Chinese manufacturing, was established on a vision to fuse royal-grade quality with a distinctly young perspective. For over 14 years, we have deepened our roots in the global bathroom market. We are not followers of trends. We are originators of lifestyle. Starting from our digital intelligent production base in Jiqiao, Foshan, our presence now extends across over 30 countries and regions spanning 4 continents. For 8 consecutive years, we have led our industry in overseas market share. We are making original design from China a daily reality for young families worldwide. Our global approach has never been simply about exporting products. It's about creating a global resonance with the needs of young families. From our initial focus on original bathroom vanities, we have evolved into a full solution provider, offering bathroom vanities, smart mirrors, hardware and fittings, shower enclosures, smart toilets, kitchen and wardrobe cabinets. Every product carries our Chinese original DNA. At Queenswood, premium does not mean prohibitive pricing and original does not mean long waits. This is powered by our heavily invested end-to-end digital production matrix. We integrate fully automated production lines and SCM machining centers enhanced by digital twin technology. From cutting and edge banding to assembly, 36 core processes are driven by data with a precision of within 0.1 millimeter. Our ERP traceability system monitors the entire journey, from raw material procurement and processing to final warehousing. Every piece of eco-friendly board, every hardware fitting is traceable in real time. A rigorous 58-step quality inspection covers all product categories. The true value of digital manufacturing. It makes exceptional value possible. By achieving scale-driven cost reduction and streamlining intermediate links, we pass the technological dividends directly to you. We make original custom bathroom solutions an accessible reality, not a luxury. Furthermore, supported by our global network of overseas warehouses, Queenswood ensures custom solutions confirmed within 24 hours. Orders dispatched in as fast as 72 hours. Our delivery efficiency significantly outpaces the industry average. Our brand promise, Design for Young, means the world doesn't have to wait for great design. Creating for the young global family has been our core mission for 14 years. Our multinational original design team of 50-plus talents combines senior designers with 20 years of craftsmanship expertise, fresh, innovative forces from Italy and Germany. We reject homogenization and copying. Instead, we reimagine the bathroom space from a young perspective. This commitment has earned us 50-plus original design patents over 14 years. From digital manufacturing in Foshan to inspiring young lives worldwide. From original bathroom products to creating warm, holistic lifestyles. Queenswood soars on the wings of digital innovation, with originality at its soul. Every product embodies thoughtful design, the confidence of quality, an accessible price, a rapid response. Looking ahead, we will continue to deepen our international presence. With youth-centric original designs and highly efficient digital manufacturing, we are pioneering a new future on the global stage, demonstrating the vitality of Chinese bathroom design. Queenswood, Design for Young.